Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. A friend of mine is there on holiday with his family and sent me a photo from the spot. It's a gorgeous natural setting. It's even where the Winnetou westerns, so beloved here in Europe, were filmed. Painting a demanding landscape with reflections in the water is a challenge I decided to take on. Honestly, I'd written the paper off as ruined well before I finished. But in the end, I'm rather fond of how it turned out. So you can watch along and see how I painted it. I started by laying in fairly loose, undefined shapes and patches. The ones that make up the background and only hint at the surroundings. Then I worked sharper, more specific details into them. The trees and the reflections on the surface of the water. Finally, with a touch of white gouache, I picked out a few of the highlights and reflections. And here's a question that's always worth asking. Does painting with white, or with white gouache, still belong to watercolor? Or is it already a different kind of painting altogether? Let me know what you think in the comments. My own take? Reaching for white is already a step away from watercolor. It's no longer pure. But on the other hand, it widens the painter's range of expression, and used with a light hand, it can absolutely earn its place in a watercolorist toolkit.
Been 3 months since I seen your face, still stuck in your Insta page. Can you believe it? I still got feelings. I don't blame you for walking away. I just wish that you would've stayed. We could've made it. Yeah, we would've made it. When did things go so wrong? Why did we fall apart again? So tell me why'd you leave me out to dry? Now I'm half across the world and you're not here. Been thinking about how we'd laugh until we cry, but now we're saying goodbye. It'll never be you and I. Now I know we're falling apart. Wait by the phone, I'm waiting, I'm breaking down for a call that just